Hello and welcome to Horseshoe Master How-To videos. This is clip number 4, and today we'll be working on entering players and assigning them to their classes. Okay, we have the Horseshoe Master window open here, so let's scroll down to tournaments. Alright, let's go to entries. What we're about to do here today is enter players and assign them to their classes, and all of what we've done on all three of the previous clips is you should do at home. It should be already done to your Horseshoe Master program before you come to the tournament.
Here is something else we should do prior to setting up our classes or prior to finalizing our classes. Let's go update our ringer percentage and make sure we got everyone in the correct class, in their correct positions. Let's go update their percentages. Let's go to players, and now we go to our icons on the left, and we want to go to our issue icon here, which is a little red horseshoe. Click on it, and now we want to go to update ringers only. So when we click on update ringers only, that's going to update our ringer percentage for everyone that's in your database, and it'll explain here if it's changed anything. It'll say that it's changed. Most of these is showing no changes because I've updated this database here previously. Okay, we've got our ringer percentage updated now in our profile, but we want to update it in our tournament in Horseshoe Master that we have set up. So let's go back to tournaments, and let's go back to entries and make sure we got the tournament up here we want up. And we'll go to singles, and now we will update the percentages from update from profile. And what this does, this updates what you've got in your profile to your tournament you've got set up here. So let's click on update from profile. Tournament occurs in the past. Well, that's okay. We're just using this database for examples, so tell it yes. And so it's updated our ringer percentage for everyone that's in the tournament now. So that's what you want to do prior to going to your tournament.
And this is what you'd have to start doing once you get to the tournament and get players signed up for it. But if it's a pre-registered tournament, you could still do what we're doing today before you came to the tournament. But we're working with a sign up tournament today that you sign up at the tournament, and we'll have to enter the players at the tournament. So first of all, we want to make sure that we got the right tournament up. We click on singles, and this puts the players that you've entered over in this window, and I've already entered a few of the players here. Let's go down to enter some more players. Okay, once you click on them and once their name is highlighted, you can hit enter, and it enters them in the tournament. And just scroll down with your arrows on your keyboard and hit enter and hit enter. We're going to put them all in the tournament here, or most all of them. Okay, that's enough in there. If we got them all, that's fine. If we add them, that's fine. Okay, now let's go to the class column here, and the header here says class. Let's click in this cell here, the first one, which these players here is separated by their ringer percentage. That's the way Horseshoe Master separates them once you put them in the tournament. So this first player here should be the first player we put in A class. And we can click open the cell, and we click on the drop down and hit A each time, or we can click in the cell and just hit A on our keyboard. Okay, we got 5 in there, so let's go to B class. I'm just going to hit B on my keyboard each time. Okay, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that only leaves 3 for C class. So let's go ahead and put those 3 in C class. Double round robin on them when we go to do our next, or when we set them up in our tournament and set the classes up. So now, as you see, we've done set up our tournament. We've entered our players, and we've assigned them classes. That's all we're going to do for this video, and the next one we'll enter these people in their classes, or enter into the tournament, and show you how to print your round robin cards. That's all for this one. Thank you and have a good day.